Welcome back to the Funny Fables Club. Today's tale is about a little mouse with a big borrowing habit. It's called The Mouse Who Borrowed Too Much. Ah, my cozy home, full of wonderful stuff. Wait, whose stuff is this again? Morning, Milo. Just here for my acorn cap bowl. Soup night tonight, bowl. Oh, right. Is it the blue one? The round one? The shiny one? It's the one you borrowed last Tuesday for your berry feast. Oh, that one, I think. I lent it to Benny the Badger. Or was it? I'll give it back tomorrow. Milo borrowed and borrowed, but he forgot to return. Milou eep. Sorry, friends. I have a teeny tiny forgetful problem. More like a giant forgetful problem. My bowl, Freddy's ladder, Ruby's scarf, Ollie's magnifying glass. Hoo-hoo. A mouse with full hands, but an empty memory. Ollie, can you help me? To keep what you borrow, you must give something in return. Not later. Now. But I don't have anything to give. You have time. You have kindness. You have apologies. I'll make borrow back baskets. One for each friend, and inside, a thank you note and a little gift. Instead of just returning what he borrowed, Milo returned it with love. Ah, you didn't have to. Yes, I did. Friends share, but friends also give back. A borrowed thing returned with kindness becomes a shared treasure. Hoo-hoo, from now on, I borrow less and share more. And that's how Milo learned that borrowing is fine, but returning is fabulous. Have you ever borrowed something and forgotten? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Funny Fables Club for more sweet and silly stories.